Have you seen a bird ballet in the sky? Starlings are famous for their mesmerizing murmuration displays, where thousands of birds fly together in perfect harmony, creating stunning shapes in the sky. This synchronized flight is not just a spectacle, it's a survival strategy. By flying in such large, coordinated flocks, starlings confuse predators and protect themselves from attacks. These breathtaking aerial dances are a testament to their incredible communication and coordination skills. Next time you see a murmuration, remember, you're witnessing one of nature's most spectacular survival tactics. Subscribe to Animal Kingdom for more interesting facts.